Good to see everybody. Yeah, it's a crazy market. Let's see what's going on, right? This is great. This is great, dude. Look at this. Sailor going around asking for more capital to buy Bitcoin after asking investors to buy more last week at 98K. Oh, wow. That is good, dude. That is funny. That's funny. So, guys, whoo, buddy boy, it's happening. Let's just say we had some levels here that we were watching. Let's go ahead and expand that. Let's go ahead and expand that one there. Okay. So y'all, before we really dive in, can we just give a quick shout out to our sponsors, y'all? Life changing breathing. 10% off your first order. 10% off your first order. What? Hey! Woo! We can breathe, y'all. Yeah, guys, this was support. This is interesting. So this line here, that horizontal, right? So I'm gonna same color as my hoodie. I'm gonna same color as this guy. So I'm just trying to feed him. Are you okay? He's fine. He hasn't seen the bull market. He hasn't seen the bull market yet. So it's okay. Bear market. He hasn't seen a bear market yet. Hold on one second. Okay. Nope, not good enough. Okay. Intake breathing. Do it. You will turn into a hot blonde if you rock intake breathing. This was our level of support here. And you kind of look at these levels. I like the analogy of a boxer. And that is, when you're boxing, it's like if you're hitting somebody and you're sticking them. And he's absorbing the blows, or she. They're absorbing these blows. It's not hurting them. You throwing those jabs, you might tire yourself out before you take down the person you are jabbing. So this level here is like the price action is one boxer, this horizontal level is another boxer. And the more times you hit this level, the more times you hit it and it doesn't break, that means that boxer was strong that you're hitting, and they ain't backing down. You can't take them down. But when will it give? How many shots does it take? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you're still strong, and on that 10th shot you're going to go down? What happened to be the case here? So you can say these levels are strong support levels, and every time they hold support, they get stronger as a level of a support. But every time they hold support, their support is getting a little less stronger each time. So you got to look at it like that. So you can't just say this is automatically going to hold a support because it held 8 times. It's like you're chipping away. It's like you're in a coal mine. You're chipping away. How many times is it going to take to break that rock? That's a strong rock. It might not break. Or it might break. It broke. So y'all, here, I'm going to go to another chart of Bitcoin where I have a million more lines. Let's see if that helps us at all. I'm just saying, this is not this is a level as it held a support, but I don't think there's a lot of volume in this level. It's really not. It's like, this is the volume profile. You have a lot more buying and selling as you get up into here, and it kind of rolls. So you can kind of view this as, if there's less buying and selling that happen in this area, there's a good chance the price level will go into this area and it will trade around in this area. There's a very good chance that's going to happen. If it does not hold here, this is not a very strong level, in my opinion. Not much action happened here. As you can see, it held support briefly, then just blasted off, and we haven't been here since. So it's not like it's acted as support several times, and we've built up some trading around here, some trading volume. We haven't. So I will say, if we cannot hold this level, which I really don't think it will, it 100% is going to drop to this level, which is 74, basically. Maybe 75, maybe somewhere in this little guy. It might wick down here. But y'all, there's just nothing here. There's just nothing there. When a price moves this quickly through an area that it's never been before, which it had never been before. Y'all, it's like the, what's that expression? I don't know. I don't know what the expression is that I'm looking for. But if you just pump through an area like this, there's a good chance you will dump straight through that area again on the way back down. There's a very good chance because there's no trading anywhere in these areas. We try to make that a little more clear here. Look, these are the all-time highs from 2021. We broke above all-time highs after the halving last year, or before the halving last year, which is the first time it's ever happened. Then we went sideways for a while. Then we popped through this. We went straight up into here, and we've held this as support. There's nothing happened here. Nothing happened here. So what do we think is going to happen? What do we think here? Let's go back to this one. Let's make it simple, y'all. Let's make it simple here. Let's go back to the daily. I mean, we can extrapolate a little bit, make it a little bigger of a level. Y'all firmly believe we can easily go here. I mean, here's another reason. This was a resistance level for so long. Like it's like for 8 months. And when it went through it, we blasted through it. We never came back to test the resistance now as support. Will it be support? Will it hold as support? That is the question. Whether 'tis nobler to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune. What eyes click? Get out of here, dude! The fuck out of here! Boom. And then it's bam. And then it's bam, 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 bam. That's what we could easily see, guys. It might have to come back here and test these levels. Maybe even a couple times. It has failed to hold this breakout. And guys, and if we cannot stay above, if we can't hold here, because I don't see why we would. I mean, that's just, I don't know. Maybe we will. But y'all, that's really not crazy. Guys, to fall another $12,000, this is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. This is not crazy at all. You think that's crazy? Oh, God. Y'all, in this bull market back here, I hate this mouse pad. God. Guys, that's a 50% drop. 25% drop. 30% drop. 25, 30, and 50% drops. Now, we might be at a 25. 21 right now. Oh, it has corrections. When you go up to 109, it's just a 30% drop. That's all that is. I wouldn't doubt it. What's 50%? 50% would be to test the bottom of that range. And then to come back. Definitely not out of the realm of possibility. Definitely not. Let's see what's going to happen here. Will bulls step in and buy it up? Or are we scared? Wow. It looks just like wick off. Because if you've never heard of the wick off accumulation, how do you spell it? It's a C and a K. There's a certain, I've never heard of the Wyckoff distribution pattern, or Wyckoff, what the fuck they call it. It is a way that the market kind of tricks the retail investor into getting into an asset, basically, called the composite man, or like, the market is like an accumulation of all human emotions and shit, or whatever. Just look at this pattern here. How similar does that look to this? Now that is strange. Oh, look. Look at this, dude. You pump up, you get to a level, you get above it, you go back to it, you can't get above it again, you break through support, and you come back down. Y'all, that's crazy. That's you doing. Oh my god, dude. I swear these fucking computers, dude. AI hasn't even taken over yet, and these computers are already pissing me off. It's just like, yo, isn't that wild? The Wyckoff? The Wyckoff? Look at that shit. That is eerily similar. Guys, you pump into a level, you define a resistance and a support, you get a high, you come back to, you break above it, you can't hold, you come back to your support that was holding that support, you come back to your level that was support, you can't hold it, you break down. Rinse and repeat. Pete and Pete were on a boat. Pete fell off. Rinsed his Johnson. Cleaned it off. Who's left? Repeat. Pete and repeat were on a moat. They were drowning in a moat. Pete fell off.